Day 14 of learning German without memorizing words. Today we learn why Germans sound so aggressive when they give orders. In English, we cushion our commands to be polite. We say, "Could you please listen to me?" If you do this in German, you sound incredibly weak. German logic demands immediate efficiency. To issue a command, you delete the word you entirely, lead with the raw action, and fling any prefix to the absolute end. Mutate your English into this: listen up or watch out. Now slot in your German actions. Zuhören means to listen up. Look, hör zu. Aufpassen means to watch out. Pass auf. It's not rude, it's just grammatically streamlined. Drop the cushions. Command the language. Hit follow for day 15, where you face the ultimate Phase 2 boss fight.